So now we've saved this integration, we're actually ready to try it. So let's go with payments, and I'm going to browse and choose this test payment file here, and we're going to go ahead and submit. And so the file ran through. We only have a couple of transactions in it. It shows you that there is no errors, but there might still be some warnings, and we'll see them on the next screen if we click here. Now here it shows us the actual details and the data that we ran through here. And for this particular case, so for the company, the error or the warning is that and it actually shows you all of them in here, right? So the rest of them are as well. So for example, it says that sample mortgage company, does not exist in QuickBooks. And so you can either create new like this, right? So this basically creates sample mortgage company in QuickBooks. You can go ahead and add that. So the customer is done. The payment method, right? So it says credit card. Which payment method do you want to link it to? So you can just pick one of yours, but see how in QuickBooks it's broken down to either American Express, Discover, MasterCard, Visa, e-check or cash. And so you can literally just pick any one of these, or you can go back to QuickBooks and add another one that says credit card. So for item cross-reference, the option is, so FHA 1004. Our file doesn't have it, and so we're just going to go ahead and say create new and hit add. And now we're done. And so this file is taken care of. Now here, it's the same thing. What would you like to do with the test mortgage company too? We can go ahead and create new. What is the item? FNMA 104T final inspection. Same thing. We can go ahead and just say that it's a new one, and so then we'll have this for the future use. And we hit add and add. These cross references are done. And so now these two records are ready to go into QuickBooks. You can do them one by one by clicking on this individual button here, or you just click sync and it'll take both of them in. And so the file status is pending. And so, all right, so after sync, assuming that your integration is actually set to auto run, and once the sync is complete, we can hit refresh here and we get our success. And so now these two payments are in QuickBooks. So both of these companies are there, all